Okay, so I got my new camera today from Amazon. It has not even been opened. I'm so excited. It was so hard to get all my tabs and tours done this morning before I got this out of the box. It was left yesterday morning. And I didn't know it was left there till late. So we just went out there this morning. Okay, as usual, Amazon packs a little box and a bigger box. Okay. So this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. So let's do this. Oh, I love opening new stuff. I don't want to damage anything though in case something's wrong and I gotta... Alright, there's that. And of course there's another piece of tape on the back of the box. Crap that I needed to do. Okay. One of my biggest vices. Oh, what you say? I was getting ready to say a cuss word because I'm a cusser. And I'm trying to stop, but you know. So, this and that. Okay, all this instruction stuff. Of course, I'm a big proponent of reading the instructions. Oh, they give you some cool sticker stuff. I don't know why I want to see this first. I love stickers. Let's see. Here's the main DJI one. This one is, oh, their mission statement, enrich lives. And this one is just a jumbled mess of characters that spell out DJI. Okay. Alright, so the main camera pack is in here. Let's get into this. It's cute. It's kind of like a men's toiletry bag. DJI on the front. Ooh, okay. Here's the main camera. This is what it looks like. I got so much to figure out. Okay, it has a little safety thing on there. I'm gonna read the instructions. But that's the main camera. It comes with a connector, and still don't know what this is. Okay. Wait, looks like a battery that plugs in, so you get an extra battery. And what is this? I do not know. Has some sort of clip on it. And this looks like another piece that connects into the bottom that we don't know what it is yet. And reminder, this is the combo pack, so it comes with all these accessories that normally you pay separately for. I believe I paid $7.99 for all this. And then here's its own little tripod. Isn't that cool? And this goes into there. And then this connects to here. Okay, got it. We have got connector cords. Looks like C to C. Yep, C to C. And one more pack. I think that's it in there. Oh, wind buffer for the mic, so you don't get that wind sound. Wrist cord. What else do we have? Something little teeny tiny that I will lose if I'm not careful. And it is. Looks like some sort of lens cover. All right, is that all in here? Yep, little do not eat silica pack. And that is that. All right, what do we got here? It looks like it might be another tripod, no? Oh, it's a protective cover for the whole camera itself. So that's nice. That's very nice. All right, guys, it's time for me to start reading. I'll go with the quick start guide first, but somehow I think I'm going to need a deep dive on the Creator Combo Pocket, Creator Combo Instructional Guide, and oh, DJI has a barcode scan, a scanner to recommend. They recommend a specific video app for editing. Okay, so that's what we got. Let's see what happens. Let's see what I can figure out. Bye.